So just to begin with, I just want to save ourselves some time. The square root of 2 times the square root of 2 is the square root of 4, which equals 2. The square root of 3 times the square root of 3 equals the square root of 9, and the square root of 9 is 3. So notice that multiplying two radicals that are the same is going to give me a whole number. So if I go the square root of 5 times the square root of 5, I can skip this middle step and I know it's going to equal 5. And in this problem, there's going to be square root of 11 times the square root of 11 is going to equal 11. And the square root of 7 times the square root of 7 is also going to equal 7. So if I use this rule, it'll save me a little bit of writing. So let's start. We're going to multiply the first two terms together. We're going to start by multiplying the coefficients together. So 2 times 4 is 8. And square root of 7 times the square root of 7 we know is 7. Note, radical has disappeared. Now I'm going to multiply the 2 root 7 times the 9 root 11. So 2 times 9 is 18, and the square root of 7 times the square root of 11 is 77. Next, these two together, which is a negative 5 times a 4, which is a negative 20, and 11 times 7 is again 77. And then the last two terms is this one times this one. Negative 5 times 9 is negative 45. And square root of 11 times square root of 11 is, we know, 11. So 8 times 7 is 56. And then the next two terms, they're like terms because they both have root 77s. So 18 minus 20 is negative 2 root 77. And 45 times 11 is negative 495. So the two like terms, the two constant terms here, can be combined. So that equals 56 minus 495, which is negative 439 minus 2 root 77.